Hi guys, today we are going to make healthy fruit cocktail. For this we need some fruits. You can take any kind of fruits. I've given the description below. Half cup of cream, 1/4 cup of curd we need to take to make the cream mixture. Then we need to beat the cream for 2 minutes. This will make a very creamy mixture for the fruit cocktail. And in this recipe there is no ice cream, there is no sugar. We need to add vanilla essence, that is 1 teaspoon, and we need to mix it again to make a mixture. Now we have to add the curd, that is yogurt, and we need to make it a mixture, and we have to make just a small soft peaks out of it. And now we have to take a glass and you have to drizzle the roux abza in this, and this looks really nice. Now we have to keep on adding the layer of fruits, whatever choice, like whatever you want, in any order you can add. So I'm adding here some apples, some pears, and now we will add the creamy mixture layer, and we can press it with the spoon also to make it perfect layers. And now we need to drizzle some honey, which will give sweetness to the fruit cocktail. Now I'm adding some pomegranate, some more pears, and some mangoes, which is perfect for summer, and some oranges, nicely chopped. Now we need to add again a layer of creamy mixture on top of the fruit layer, and we can press it with a spoon to make it more nice. And now we have to add our superfood, that is chia. So I have soaked the chia seeds in water, so we need to add that. We have to add the saffron water also, just few drops, just for the flavor and color. And now we have to add the dry fruits, any dry fruits of your choice. So I'm adding some tutti frutti also, which will give a very nice color and taste. So I'm adding some dry fruits. So that's it. Here it's ready. Yummy fruit cocktail is ready. It's a healthier version, no ice cream, no sugar. Please try and let me know in the comments below. Thank you.